Hello everybody, here it's the next project, something that look like an oscilloscope. Okay, it looks like an oscilloscope, but it's not. It's just to see the wave that are moving towards, I made a grid. Is a grid there, which is, the grid, instead of putting line, I put dots, very softly painted dots, because otherwise if you emphasize too much, you want to see the waves. So there you are. This is what it looks like, and it produces a wave while I'm talking. And if I'm not talking, okay. So practically it's super dynamic, in the sense that is activated, the horizontal scrolling, wave move from the right to the left as new data comes in. Dynamic amplitude mapping. The waveform is high reflection and intensity of the sound sensors input. You can see how it works. The grid background, it's like a soft to improve aesthetic and align with oscilloscope style, which it has. And you can see there is one little line here. Okay. All right, so let's go and have a look at the code. All right, here's the code, and it's an OLED screen based on a ESP32. So you can see your library is the same. You need a wire H, Adafruit to the GFX, and this is the Adafruit SSD1306, which initialized the OLED. This is the OLED width and height. This is the OLED pin that I'm using in the from the ESP32. Okay. So, and the sound sensor is on pin 1. Remember, ADC, the OLED hasn't got, it's got several pins that are not really analog, but it's ADC. Okay. So there we are. You have your loop here. Okay, which initialize the dynamic data picked up by the sensor, which will bring it forward. And as I talk, the OLED is producing the waveform. Let's see if I can put it closer. You can see that it's dotted. Okay. There we are. This is what it looks like. Okay, well, thank you very much, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it. Okay, thank you. Bye.